Hello my people, you are welcome to our channel today. In today's video, we are going to be talking about locks. Stay tuned. Lock. Usiave hayo ugodi. Key. Usiave hayo ugodi. Omu godi hayo omusiave. You notice that the Isoko used the same word for key and for lock. So it's not surprising. If you want to differentiate the key from the main lock, you have to use omugodi or omusiave, which is the child of the lock. Door hinges. Ikeleku. Ikeleku. So we have various forms of hinges in the door. So they are all called ikeleku. Door. Ete. Ete. Door handle. Obete. Obete. Now let's learn those words we've learned about locks in a conversation. Lock. To lock a door. Kare. Some we just put it kai. To close the door. Close. Same word. Kare. So that would be easy for you to lock a door and to close the door. So if someone tell you kaetena, he's saying lock the door. If you also hear karetena, it means the same thing. Then what if the person wants you to close the door and he say kaetena? Common sense will help you to know that since the door is open, he is telling you to close the door. Karetena. Open. Rovie. Rovie. Open the door. Rovietena. Rovietena. I'm not able to open the door. Maybe say rovietena. Maybe say rovietena. The door could not open. Etena be rovie. Etena be rovie. I may break the lock. Oh, hono metek bra usiavena. Oh, hono metek bra usiavena. You left the door wide open. Wokbetena fiho. Wokbe etena fiho. To close the door without actually locking with keys, in Isoko you say sietenaho, sietenaho, meaning you just close it. Thank you so much for watching this video. That is the end of this section. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the notification button to get more future updates. We're going to make more videos for your learning and keep enjoying. Thank you. Bye-bye.